In our last video, the cupboard bed panel has now been put back in. We are now replacing one of the light fixtures that does not work. You can see how nice our bed area looks with the new wood and the level that is going to be at in the new travel trailer. We are testing the lights at night. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I had to take the stove out to clean properly behind and underneath it. We are now 3 weeks well into our truck camper makeover. Terry is working on the electrical in there. All the painting in this dining kitchen area is now complete. I still need to put the curtains back up, and I am currently working on sewing up the holes that were on the corners of the fabric of the seat cushions. I need to finish the backsplash. The insulation in the bed area we are now starting to put up. I am putting baskets in the cupboards.